So guys, we got the balloon. It's a yellow balloon. Hey guys, what's up? I hope you guys had an amazing day today. So today guys, we are going to be doing the balloon thing. And I have my toy doll here because I just wanted to be here. And her name is Sia. She bought a lot of things today, like a backpack, stuff like that. I actually bought this. And why'd you bring this, Sia?
For a snack.
Okay, I guess she bought this for a snack. So I'm just gonna set thumbtacks and Sia, what do you think's gonna happen when I put this balloon on the thumbtacks?
I don't know, Mom. What's gonna happen?
I don't know either. Let's test it.
Do one thumbtack first. I want to see what happens with just one.
Got one thumbtack here. Nothing happens. Should I pop it?
Push it down onto the thumbtack.
Oh no. I don't want to. I know how loud this is.
Get it over.
Trying to pop it. That scared me. I was like, what the? Okay, we got the balloon into shadows. Yeah, that was loud.
Mama, what's going to happen when you put it on all 100 thumbtacks? Is it going to pop just as loud?
I think it will.
Okay, let's see it pop.
Yeah, I'm scared.
You ready?
I'm scared.
Do it.
Okay, you might want to move out of the way.
Nah, I'm brave. Push it down.
Hey guys.
Push it down really, really hard.
It's not gonna pop. Not gonna pop, guys. I think it's because there are 100 and not 1.
Yeah, I think that's right.
Yeah.
It distributed the force.
Like this.
Is it recording?
So guys, you're in for a surprise. So we got a balloon here and this long toothpick with dish soap on it. And if you have dish soap, you can just poke it through here, I'm pretty sure. And Mom might have to do this. See, it can go through like that. And then you can have, yeah, just like that.
Wow. Where'd you take it out of? Why isn't it growing smaller?
Well, that's the video. It's pretty fun. You guys should try it. All you need to do is put dish soap on it and just stick it right there. And that's all you have to do. It's so easy.
I'm scared.
Yeah, and now we're going to try baking soda into a balloon. What? So yeah, I think we should do a purple balloon. Okay, I'm going to have this purple balloon and build this up. You guys can watch it. Yeah, where'd the spoon go? Okay, the spoon went in here. Okay, we got the spoon. Let's pour in the baking soda. Let's see what happens. So yeah, are you excited to see what happens when you pour all this baking soda into here?
I'm a little scared, Mom.
You should be. That's the fun of science. And guys, if you are watching this and you got scared by the loud popping balloon, you guys should probably watch with the stuffy for now because we are going to do a more popping. And look at that solid balloon. So guys, we got a Coke can with water, and now my mom put this balloon with baking soda, and now I'm going to tip it upside down, and it's supposed to cause reaction. You might want to stand back. Oh no.
I'll baking soda in there.
I'm scared. I'm standing back, you guys. Come here.
That's what you got.
That's heavy. Okay, stand back. It's a...
Hold the balloon with 2 hands. Put bottle down. Hold the balloon with 2 hands up, over. Yeah, stand it up.
Like a volcano. Sure it's not gonna blow up?
Yes.
It looks like it's gonna blow up. Feels like a volcano. Okay, guys, watch the madness. It's not going to explode. You guys are totally free to try this. We are going to try the balloon-powered Lego car. So we got a little man here.
Oh my gosh, she's so cute, Mommy.
Yes, we got a car. And so you see this little hole here? So the end of the balloon where it's like tied, we're not going to have it tied. It's going to go straight through here. It's going to go like zoom. Got the car here with the man. We're going to see how far it can go. See us all the way over here. When it's not with the balloon. Okay guys, so we got the balloon. We kind of got a neighborhood set up. And so I'm going to let this go and see what happens. 1, 2, 3. Okay guys, so we got a very big balloon. We're going to try this again. Here we go. So that didn't work at all. Well, we're going to try this a couple more times on camera.
Good.
Okay guys, so we got a new balloon. We're going to try this again. This one was too moist, we're pretty sure. So let's see what it does. Okay guys, we got another balloon. We're going to try this again. You ready? Ready. Guys, we got it. It turns out we're going to try some point now. Let's see if this works. That kind of worked.
Go.
So guys, that's going to be it for today's video. So see you guys in the next video. Just come here. Be on the camera. I saw plenty of this. Oh, Jeff! We got Jeff the cacti. And make sure you stay tuned for the next video, because that's going to be extremely fun. My mom popped a balloon and she jumped out. Yep.